Hi, this is Brian Fogarty, and this is a video for Chapter 5 of the book Quantitative Social Science Data with our second edition. So in this video, what we're going to do is look at how to collapse categorical variables, factor variables. So as a general rule, we prefer not to collapse variables because we're throwing away data, we're throwing away variation. But sometimes we want to, because we want to look at, say, a simplified version of some variable, or it could be that some of the categories in a survey, there might be only a handful of people that responded, to responded in a certain way. So there's a small number of observations in that category, or we might want to do it because of how we want to visualize the data. So it's a good skill to know. It's a good thing to know. So we're going to look at an example where we collapse the VF problem variable that we had looked at in the previous video about rearranging values. And to remind you, this had this went from strongly disagree to strongly agree. And so let's say we wanted a version that goes, that has all of the disagree values as 1 and all the agree values as 1. So let's create a version of that. So we're going to do this VF England again. We're going to save it because we don't have to change the name because we're just adding this variable. All right, so VF England, piping, mutate, we're creating a new variable. What did we leave off on in the previous video? We had VF problem 3, so now VF problem 4. Very, very ingenious. If I was doing this for my own, like this is what I'm calling it, I would be more specific about what this is. So I might call it like VF problem collapse or call or, some shortened version of it. All right. So we have VF problem 4, that's our new variable name. I'm going to set that equal to, we're going to use this function here, fct underscore collapse. So this allows us to collapse it. And the variable we're going to collapse is VF problem 1. Then we do comma. I'm going to pull this back just so it's neater. And then we include the specification. So when we use this function, we specify what we want the new category to have or be named first, and then how it's put together after that. So we're going to do disagree equals, and then we're going to use the C function, concatenate, and then the 3 disagree categories that currently exist. So it's strongly disagree, and it is what, slightly disagree. All right, so let's double check here. So I think we're going to put a comma after this. That looks right. Okay, hit enter. I'm just going to move these double close to the next line. Let's cheat a little here. Let's just copy this. We're going to copy this, and we're going to do the same thing for agree. I'll move that up. All right. Get rid of, there we go. We're just going to get rid of this, and then we need to capitalize. Oh, not all of them, right? So this, so strongly agree, and then agree, and then slightly agree. Okay, and then we make no comma here. And then we can leave these down here. People have different preferences about like how to do it. I'm kind of, I don't know. Whatever makes it easier for you. Either keep it separate or bring it back up so that there's like a triple closed here. Again, it depends on how you do it. All right, whatever works for you. As long as it works, it works. Okay, so let's highlight that. Run that. Okay, so we didn't get any errors. All right, let's take a look. Let's use the count function to take a quick look at our new variable here. So count via problem 4. Ta-da! So we see that we didn't do anything for neither agree nor disagree. And so it actually preserved it as it was. It didn't get rid of it. It didn't make it missing or anything like that. So we have now just 3 categories: disagree, neither agree nor disagree, and agree. All right, so that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.